Hey guys, welcome back to another new launch. Ohmyhome is excited to remind you of the Iveria, which is expected to be completed in 2023. Here are our 5 favorite things about the Iveria. 1 is location. This is a brand new development located at 2 Kim Yam Road, which is in Prime District 9. This luxury boutique development sits on an upscale residential enclave in River Valley. 2 has got to be its exclusivity. This project, developed by Mackley Group, has only 51 units over 18 floors, filled with 3-bedroom residences. Ohmyhome is happy to walk you through the available layouts and what will work best for you. Number 3 on our list are the large windows that are a feature in each unit to help you take full advantage of the view of the city skyline. Let's talk connectivity, which is number 4. The nearest MRT station is the upcoming Great World MRT at just 600 meters away. Somerset, Orchard Road, and Fort Canning MRT stops are also close by. At the Iveria, you're a skip away to Robertson Quay, the shopping belt, and many other great spots. Traveling to other major parts of Singapore is a breeze, with the Iveria also only a short drive away from the CTE. And number 5 is amenities. You can expect to enjoy facilities like a pool deck, fitness corner, swimming pool, barbecue pits, and security. So with all that in mind, don't forget to reach out to us now. You want to have us to help you reserve a spot at this exclusive condo, WhatsApp us or call, and we can also help you build your dream home with renovations and financial calculations. You can count on us. See you guys at the next new launch.